Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and low miles. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, Uconnect system, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.